welcome to part 5 of my Yarn Wall Voyage. Today we are going to look at the last of the acrylic yarn that I have that is not considered in the baby yarn family. So if you're ready, we're going to come over here. We have looked at everything on the first row, and we have, looked at all of the blue here. We have looked at the very top at that brown yarn that I bought on sale with the light aqua, white, and the peach that I haven't decided if I'm going to make baskets or a rug out of. I'm actually thinking about making a pocket shawl maybe out of it even. And then of course that bright blue and pink yarn that I bought that I'm thinking about making into hats. I'm just not sure, or some kind of amigurumi. All right, and then we have also looked at on that row the gray, the brown, and the black yarn. And so today we are going to be looking at this yarn right here on the bottom. And then the only other yarn on that row is actually hidden behind my little furry puppy dog friend. And that is all of the bright colored yarn right here. So if you're ready, I'm going to grab it off the shelf and we'll take a look at it. So here are all these bright, variegated, beautiful, delicious yarns. I've actually had these for a while. I'm really anxious to get into them and make some makes with them and see how the colorways come out. When I bought these, I was still traveling quite a bit with my corporate job, and so I wasn't able to take a lot of big projects along with me. And so now that I have more time and I've got you guys to, you know, be with me and see how things make up and whatnot, and are such great encouragers, I am really excited about diving into these yarns and using them and getting some things made. So let's take a look at them. These first 3 I got from Hobby Lobby, and these 3 I got from Hobby Lobby. So all 6 of these came from Hobby Lobby. The rest of these came from Walmart. So these first ones are I Love This Yarn is the name of the brand. And I bought these from Hobby Lobby for $4.99. I did not at the time write dates on them when I purchased them, because at that time I was just writing where and how much. So this is in the colorway Fruit Salad. And this is what it looks like. Isn't that really pretty? It is a medium 4-weight yarn, and above there you can see it's 100% acrylic. It's a 5-ounce skein, 142 grams, 252 yards. And the other one is the same details. It's just in the colorway Drizzle Me This. And this is what it looks like. And let's look at those together. Aren't those just gorgeous? So when I got these, the intention was to make a solid color baby blanket and use these around it as a border to kind of just make the blanket pop. So let me know, what are some suggestions you have that I could use them for? Maybe some amigurumis or baskets, or let me know. I keep saying baskets because I want to make baskets finally for the first time ever. And so it's going to happen this year sometime. All right, the next 3 colors I got are here. Aren't those just gorgeous? And let's see. This is called Favorite Stripe. It is a Red Heart Super Saver stripes. All of these are Red Heart Super Saver stripes, so I don't have to keep repeating that to you. And it is, like I said, in the colorway Favorite Stripe. I got it from Walmart for $2.94 on August 26th of 2018. It is a 5-ounce, I believe. Yes, it's a 5-ounce skein, 141 grams, and 236 yards. But isn't that just gorgeous? Bunch of rainbow colors there. Then I got 2 skeins of this color. It's called Polo Stripe, and it has a lot of teals, blues, purples and pinks in it. So pretty. And then I got 3 skeins of this next color, and it is called Derby Stripe, and it has a lot of blues and beige and white and pinks and greens in it. It's really, really pretty. And then I got 2 skeins of this color, and it is called Parrot Stripe. And I got these on August 25th. The other ones I got on August 26th. So I might have been traveling actually when I got these, because my husband and I tend to go to different Walmarts and stuff when we're traveling. And that, I don't know if I told you, was in the colorway Parrot Stripe. But look at those colors. Oh, all those greens and yellows and blues and purples. It's just very pretty. And then I got 5 skeins of this color, and I got these on August 25th from Walmart, and it's called Neon Stripes. And just look at those bright electric colors. So pretty. And then the last 4 skeins that I got are called, let's see, let me get one. That label's kind of squished. It's called Bright Stripe. Isn't that just gorgeous? And I also got that on August 26th. Look at all those colors. Black and pink and purples and orange. 2 different color oranges, or that might be a red. The neon green and yellow. So those are just delicious. So let me know, what are some suggestions that you have that I might be able to do with those yarns? All right, well, if you'll give me just a minute to get these put away, and we'll go get the bottom basket and we'll take a look at that yarn. So here are the yarns that were in the bottom shelf, and I am going to put them back in that bottom shelf because, as you can remember from my last video, I did a little bit of changing up again because right now I'm trying to create that bottom row as my row for my whips in progress. Even though I have no whips down there in progress, all of these I hope to make whips in progress. And I'm going to buy some of those little square cloth boxes that I can slide in and out of these shelves with for the bottom to actually put my whips in. But I am hoping to get started the end of July or the 1st of August with this yarn. When I bought it with the full intention of possibly making a baby blanket with it. I have never used this kind of yarn before, so this will be a first for me. And so part of the reason I got it is because it was on sale, and I want to see how it works up. It's very, very soft, so it seems like it would make a very nice soft blanket with. But I don't know. Now I'm leaning towards maybe doubling it up and making some baskets out of it. So again, any of your suggestions I will take. But this is Homespun by Lion Brand Yarns. It's called Thick and Quick. And let's see. I got this from Michael's on June 28th of 2020 for $4.97. I looked it up, and I think I found somewhere. I'm not sure, but I think it was close to like $9.97 or something like that. So it was almost 50% off. This is in the colorway Tudor, Tudor. Tell me what you think. Hope you can see that. But yeah, and so all of this yarn is the exact same color except one, and I believe it's this one. Nope, that's not it. This one. And this one is called Pearls. And I got this one May 22nd of 2020 from Michaels. And I got it on sale for $4.97 as well. They're very, very close in color. So I think that, you know, it could easily be worked up together. But I have, oh, wait, is this a different color? I see a lot of greens and stuff in it. Nope, it's actually that Tudor, Tudor as well. So I just happen to see more of this bluish green, but anyway. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those colors, and 1 of the pearl. So yeah, what do you think I could make with these? So let's talk about this. This is considered a 6 super bulky weight yarn. And let's see, it is made up of 88% acrylic and 12% polyester. It is an 8-ounce skein, 227 grams, 160 yards. And I'm going to see. If it says what, yep, it's machine washable and dryable. So exciting, exciting. So what do you think? What should we make with this? And I have so much. I might even share some of this with my Christmas in July fairy. So let me know what you think. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial going across my yarn wall, and we are finishing up our acrylics, and we will be moving into our baby yarn on our next video. And until then, be joyful, stay crafty in your own way, and make your own joyful creations.